In accordance with applicable statute, the Commission currently administers the RICA examination that focuses on the foundational skills of the teaching of reading. The RICA examination was completely revised in 2009, and a new passing standard for this assessment was adopted by the Commission at that time. The RICA content specifications were also later reviewed following the adoption of California's Common Core state standards to assure that the content specifications were still in alignment with the Common Core framework.